All right, so hopefully you did this before watching the video. If not, pause the video, give it a shot, and then come back to it. All right, so solve 4x is less than 5, graph the solution. So write the inequality, and I have 4x less than 5. All right, use the inverse operation to isolate the variable, and then I'm left with x is greater than 5/4, but that's actually an improper fraction, and I don't like those. So let's convert that into a mixed number. F is less than 1 and 1/4. The reason 1 and 1/4, so 4/4 would be 1 whole, and then so 4/4 would be 1 whole, but I have 1 left over, so that's 1 and 1/4. All right, so let's graph it. Okay, so let's look at my graph's a little bit different here, but I can figure it out. So let's look at 0. So if 0 to the midway point between 0 and 1 is 1/2, that means these must be 1/4. So this would be 0, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1, 1 and 1/4, 1 and 1/2, so on. All right, so I need to find 1 and 1/4. So 1 is right here, 1/2 is right there, so 1/4 has got to be right between those two. All right, and then I'm going to shade it in, just like I've done the last 2 weeks. All right. All right, now I can go ahead and graph that or check my solution. And once again, it does not matter what value you pick on either side. The whole point is you want to pick a value on both sides of the circle. So I'm actually going to make it easy. I'm just going to do 1. And even though it's not my graph, I know 2 is over here. So I'm going to try 1 and 2. All right, so in place of x, so x equals 1. So that'd be 4 times 1 is less than 5. And I think I got an arrow coming up. That's actually wrong. That is actually true because 4 times 1 is less than 5. So that is actually true. I gotta fix that. I just always forget. All right. So let's try 2. All right. So if x equals 2, then 4 times 2 would be less than 5, which would be 8 less than 5, and that is not true because 8 is not less than 5. All right, so hopefully this will make a little bit more sense. Go ahead and try the independent practice, and then we'll start doing a word problem or two. All right,